Welcome to Garage Foghorn Alarm Part 2. I'm already laughing and I'm talking a bit quietly because I've connected everything up and it's working almost a bit too well. And now that I'm outside amongst these garages, there's a lot of noise and there's a lot of echo. So here's my little baby that lives in here. I'll just quickly explain the circuit. So the idea is the garage door, standard up and over garage door, comes down and presses this push to brake switch. So I've just found a bit of wood, connected it, screwed it to that frame, and the wire runs up and across and into a simple connector block. One of the wires goes into the air pump, and the other ones run down into a car battery. So I did try and power all this via, I think it was an 8 amp or something like that, 12 volt power source. I was going to plug it straight into the mains, but it was pulsing, so it didn't really work that well. I'm assuming these pumps take a lot of current, so I've got a spare battery. I thought I'd just use that for the time being, maybe just keep that charged, or maybe even just connect it straight into the E36's battery and then just have it running on a trickle charger. You probably won't get any idea of what the noise is like here, but here goes. It's so loud. I have to find a way of disabling this before I open the garage door, because if I'm just opening it normally, I mean, that's going to be ridiculous. Obviously, if a thief decides to break in again and trips this circuit, he's going to get the absolute shock of his life. So yeah, I mean, it works too well. I think in reality I'm just going to get a lot of very pissed off neighbours, but hopefully that's the cheap, I think under £20 garage alarm sorted for now. So yeah, over and out. A quick demonstration. We're armed. It works.